Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmada Ramadhani and I'm honored to present my research today, which is about teachers' perspective on English textbook for junior high school students. I'm affiliated with UIN Sunan Ampel Surabaya and I conducted this research with my supervisor, Ibu Irma Suraya and Ibu Marfuatin Nafi'ah. The focus of my study is on the perspective of the English teachers about one of the textbook of Perdeka Curriculum, English for Nusantara textbook for grade 8 students based on the Konigsberg theory. This research aims to explore the perspective from MTSN to Sidoarjo English teachers regarding the English for Nusantara textbook for grade 8 junior high school students based on an adaptation of the quick reference techniques from Konigsberg, 1995. Okay, this study was motivated by the fact that textbook is one of the important things and commonly used in learning. Apart from many learning resources in digital form, the use of textbook is still massive and popular for the use of learning. And without exception, English language learning generally involves the use of textbook to teach English language skill. And there are some advantages of using textbooks such as the textbook may provide the basis for learning content, skill to be taught, and linguistic exercises for students. Meanwhile, for inexperienced teacher, the textbook may give the lesson planning ideas and format. However, there are certainly disadvantages of using textbook, such as textbook allow for content or examples that are not relevant to a study group, and then the textbook may only be driven and focus on certain aspect that not everything that teacher want to teach can be available in the textbook, and also there are some potential to present in authentic language. But regardless of the advantages and disadvantages of the textbook, utilizing the textbook for learning is still worthwhile. This can be accomplished through the process of evaluating textbook. So textbook evaluating is required, and and teachers as facilitator for students play an important role in determining which learning resources are suitable for the students they teach. And the evaluation process allow teachers to gain a greater awareness of the advantages and disadvantages of the textbook, which allow the adaptation process to be carried out to meet the student needs. And some studies have discussed the evaluation of 2013 curriculum textbook, and for now, as the newest curriculum, Merdeka Curriculum provides the new textbook which may provide some new characteristic. So this research will explore the teacher perspective on the English for Nusantara textbook for grade 8 using a quick reference checklist from Konigsberg, which focuses on the three criteria: language, content, skills, and topic. Okay, so this research is a qualitative descriptive study. The researcher distribute an adaptation of the quick reference checklist to for evaluation and selection based on Konigsberg theory, which is focuses on the three criteria. The questionnaire was then distributed to the three English teacher at MTSN 2 Sidoarjo, and also interview session were also conducted as additional data for this research. The result of the questionnaire will be calculated, then the final result will be displayed in the form of percentage that will be adjusted to the conversion of fulfillment based on the Pusat Perbukuan 2011 to determine the category of textbook quality. Okay, so this is the conversion of fulfillment from Pusat Perbukuan 2011. As you can see, there are several categories ranging from poor to good, each with specific percentage ranges. If the textbook scores between 80% and 100%, it is considered a good textbook. It is the result of this research. This research is focuses on the three criteria: language, content, skills, and topic. As you can see in the slide, the final result for the questionnaire for language content is 90%, skills 85%, and topic 88%. So based on the conversion in the previous slide, it can be concluded that all the criteria such as language, content, skills, and topic are considered good. Based on the interview about language content, it was found that all teachers agreed that the textbook presents good language content, especially in terms of vocabulary, reading, and speaking. This in line with the questionnaires result, which the statement related to vocabulary, reading, and speaking get the high average and belongs to strongly agree category. This means that in language content, teachers have a positive perspective for the textbook. Related to vocabulary, in the interview, it was said that the textbook is good and facilitates students to get to know a lot of vocabulary related to the material to be studied. And then for the skill criteria, the interview result indicate that the skill taught in the textbook are appropriate with this English language skill level for the grade 8 students. In addition, the English for Nusantara textbook already cover all the skills in English, such as grammar, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Furthermore, those skills are in accordance with the learning objective established by the English teacher. And the result for the interview about topic are also in line with the teacher's perspective from the questionnaire, which indicates that the topic in the English for Nusantara textbook are in accordance with the context and it's for the students. The context of the topic such as Independence Day, loving the earth, and self-care are topics that are appropriate for grade 8 students. It can be said that choosing the appropriate topic is very important for students. As stated by Seigel, 2014, the topics given in the textbook and explored in language classes are important components of learning process because they promote students' interest, willingness to speak, and learning. Okay, so it can be concluded that the English for Nusantara textbook for grade 8 has met the criteria of a good textbook based on the Konigsberg theory in terms of language content, skills, and topic. It was obtained from the result from the questionnaire with the percentage of 90% for the language content and then 88% for the topic and also 85% for the skills. The occasional results were supported by interviews conducted with 3 English teachers at MTS and Sidoarjo. So from this study, it can be concluded that the English teachers have a good perspective on the English for Nusantara textbook for grade 8. And then these are the references I use in my research. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.